Okay, folks, welcome back. Cooking for Clearview, creating meals to control cancer. Now, this is episode number 4. So if you missed the other 3, go back to the website and look at that as well.
I know you're saying there cannot be anything out there that's plant-based that could possibly look like, act like, taste like, smell like chicken.
Had that mouthfeel, the texture.
Oh, we got it.
Oh, it's coming, folks. For Clearview, it's coming.
So we're going to be doing, believe it or not, a festive chicken fajita.
Chicken in quotes.
Oh, I love that word, chicken in quotes.
In quotes, all right. Quotes. So
well,
olive oil going in?
Yeah, the thing I think that is so amazing is that, not only do we do plant-based eating, but I, in 2006, was diagnosed with breast cancer. And of course, Clearview Cancer Institute was the place that I went to.
We became volunteers the very next year.
Yeah, we've been on here for 14 years.
14 years, so we're just glad the personnel at Clearview Cancer Institute asked us to do some cooking class for Clearview. So here we are, cooking for Clearview. Now, you can get this at any regular grocery store, correct?
Any
you don't
grocery
have to go
store.
to a health food store to get this.
No, you don't. And does it look like chicken strips or what?
Now,
yes,
where's it in the frozen section?
Frozen food section.
Okay.
Okay. And so we're going to go ahead on. We got the garlic already in there with the onions.
Right.
Garlic already in there with the olive oil. We're going to go ahead and put in. We got it getting sizzling. We're making a fajita.
Oh,
so
need some color to this.
So we are going to add to that our peppers.
Oh, so now the color's coming in, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, you're working it now.
Got the red pepper and the green pepper.
Now this one I'm talking about.
And then we're going to also, let me go get some more in there. Let's get a lot of it in there. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. We need smell-o-vision.
I know.
Called smell-o-vision.
On one of our shows, somebody said, I wish I had smell-o-vision. I wish I had smell-o-vision. Okay, so we can actually put the burrito shell
on top. You're going to put it right on top?
Yes. Put it on
make
top.
It, nice and pliable?
And then give me that lid over there. And it makes it more pliable. And I like that soft, the lid.
Oh, the lid. Oh, that lid.
Yep.
Okay.
So I put that on for just a few minutes to make the burrito warm. Along with that, I actually have added our salsa. We got our green onions, and we also have our ranch dressing. We finished that fajita up. I have one in front of me because I know you're going to want to sample it.
I mean, I see the chicken just coming out.
You see the chicken coming out?
Yes. Okay, this is going to be a good one, baby.
Yeah, it's going to be a good one.
Finishing up, yeah.
Finishing up.
Right. This is what I'm talking about.
Well, honey, don't talk with food in your mouth,
no,
honey.
you put it in my mouth, though.
I know.
But then you probably need to go ahead and close.
Oh. Well, I guess I'll close because I definitely have to. He's carrying on so bad. I know I need to go ahead and taste it. So
this is the last episode number 4, folks. So we come back cooking for Clearview, creating meals to control cancer. When we come back, it'll be a brand new series. So we'll see you next time.